Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24 blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is cardiac cycle or heart cycle. Once again, today we are starting again class 12th biology chapter 24 blood circulatory system of human, and today's topic is cardiac cycle or heart cycle. First of all, definition of cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle is starting from the beginning of one heartbeat up to the beginning of the next heartbeat. The serial of the changes, it means sequence of the, once again, serial of the changes occurring in the different parts of heart. Different parts of the heart is called cardiac cycle. Once again, starting from the beginning of one heartbeat up to the beginning of next heartbeat, the serial, it means sequence of the changes occurring the different parts, it means in auricle part, in ventricle part, is called cardiac cycle. Students, in humans, cardiac cycle completed in 0.8 second. Next, human, in normal human, heartbeat is 70 to 80 per minute. Next is phases of cardiac cycle. Phases of cardiac cycle or heart cycle. Mostly 4 phases of cardiac cycle is: first is atrial diastole, second is atrial systole, third is ventricular systole, and fourth is ventricular diastole. There are 4 phases of cardiac cycle. First is atrial diastole. Students, it means to spread, it means auricle, it is a part of heart, or it is a chamber of heart. Second, this chamber is, it means atrial chamber is spread in this phase. First is, it is first phase of cardiac cycle. Next is, timing is 0.7 second. It means atrial diastole completed in 0.7 second. Next is, students, once again, means of atrial diastole, it means relaxed, it means spread, it means auricle part, it means atrial, it is a chamber of heart. In this phase, both right and left ventricle or atrial are relaxed or spread. Next is, during cardiac cycle, auricles and ventricles remain in relaxed state from more time. Next is, tricuspid and bicuspid valves in the primary stage of filling of auricles remain closed. It means in initiation stage or in first cardiac phase, bicuspid and tricuspid valve are closed. As the blood comes in the auricle, the presence of blood being increases, so valves, it means bicuspid and tricuspid valves become open. So valves becomes open and about 75% blood of auricle into ventricles. Once again, students, it is a first phase of cardiac cycle. Second, timing is 0.7 second. Next, in this phase or initiation in this phase, bicuspid and tricuspid valves are closed, but when the auricles or atrial are full to blood, so become to produce the pressure of blood into valves. So bicuspid and tricuspid valve opens and about 70% blood enter into ventricle part. Second is atrial systole. It is second phase of cardiac cycle Next is timing of cardiac cycle is 0.1 second. Third is both the auricles contract together as soon as relaxation ends. As soon as relaxation ends. This is known as atrial systole. Once again, both the auricles, it means right and left auricles, contract together as soon as relaxation ends. This is known as atrial systole. Next is about 25% of auricles blood comes in the ventricles part. Next, third is ventricular systole. It is second, so it is third phase. It is third phase of cardiac cycle. Next is timing of ventricular systole is 0.3 second. Next is ventricles contract after the contraction of auricles, and this is called ventricular systole. Ventricular systole. In this phase, pressure increases, then the aorta and pulmonary trunk semilunar valves opens. Next is ventricular diastole. It is last or fourth phase of cardiac cycle. It is a fourth or last phase of cardiac cycle. Next is timing in ventricular diastole is 0.5 second. Next is after contraction, the ventricle come down in relaxation state, This is called ventricular diastole. Next is heart sound and pulse. First is lub. First sound or first pulse is lub. Closing once again. The time of ventricular systole. Once again, all of you learn time of ventricular systole. The sound production at closing of arterio. Once again, arterio ventricular valves is called first sound. Next is at the time of dub. Next sound is dub. At the time of ventricular diastole. Students, in during first sound, timing is ventricular systole. In dub, ventricular diastole. It means contract, it means spread or relaxed by the closing of semilunar valves. A sound is also produced this sound is called second heart sound or dub. Once again, heart sound is lub and dub. First lub is during the timing of ventricular systole. Second is dub is during ventricular diastole. So students, today we are starting cardiac cycle. First of all, definition of cardiac cycle. Next is phases of cardiac cycle, and next is timing of cardiac cycle, some specific points of these phases, and last is some specific sound or heart sound and pulses. First is lub. Once again, the important part of heart is the time of ventricular systole, the sound production at the closing of atrioventricular valves. It means bicuspid and tricuspid, because bicuspid or tricuspid valves located on atrioventricular septum, so it is called atrioventricular valves. Next up, At the time of ventricular diastole, the semilunar wall are closed, so produce second sound of heart. It is called dub. So thanks. Have a nice